Hi guys, Carla with the Happy Mustard Tea, and today we are making chicken salad 5 ways. 3 of those ways are traditional ways that we make in our home, and 2 ways are recipes that we're trying and experimenting with, but we thought we'd share it with you as well. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So today we're using 2 rotisserie chickens, and we kind of chop them up, rough chop, and we've got bigger pieces and smaller pieces. That's just what we prefer. We purchased our rotisserie chickens today from H-E-B, one of our favorite places to get rotisserie chicken. And we're also going to be using Better Body Foods avocado mayo. So we can't wait to show you everything that we're doing today. Okay, so I usually use a measuring cup, and I just start by adding 1 cup here, 1 cup there, because you never know how much chicken is going to be on each bird. It doesn't have to be exact, so don't feel like you need to measure everything. This is just for me to kind of see, and I can eyeball the recipe. There we go. That's 2 cups of chicken in there, and then that's enough for 3, and then I'm gonna do 2 smaller batches for the recipes that we're trying today. So I'm gonna go ahead and move that over. And then I've got 2 smaller bowls for our recipes that we said we were gonna try. So it should be about 1 cup. And I usually test in smaller batches just because I don't know if we'll love the recipe or not. About 1.5 cups in there. About 1.5 cups, and then, like I said, I will just dump the rest of that in there, and we're all in. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have my little cheat sheet here, and we're gonna start with one of our favorite recipes. We're gonna add in just a little bit of mayo to get started. And really, it's going to be up to you to decide how much mayo you want. Some people like it really liquidy, and some people don't like it as much. It's really going to depend on what your family prefers. We like it a little bit more creamy, so I'm going to add more mayo, mix it in after I put all of our ingredients. Okay. I don't put lemon on the pear. And I cut this, a little while ago, but I don't put lemon on the pear because it changes the flavor of the chicken salad too much, so I don't do that. I add the pear in there, and then I just kind of mix it around to see, what it looks like. And also, because we're adding pear, I don't want it to be too wet. I want it to be a little bit drier, which this looks perfect. I'm gonna add just a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, a little pinch of pepper, maybe 2 pinches. We're going to add just a little bit of finely chopped onions, maybe about 1 tablespoon. That looks perfect. A little tiny bit of garlic powder. And that's it. Your first chicken salad is complete. Now we're going to start on our second chicken salad, which is going to be our loaded chicken salad. And go ahead and add some mayo. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of onions. Now, if you guys don't like pickles or pickle relish, you don't have to use it. A lot of times, I won't put pickles inside. I'll just leave them on the side, and we'll add them because my daughter does not like pickles. But today, we're adding pickles. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of pepper, just a little bit of salt, and tomatoes. This is 1 Roma tomato. And we're just gonna mix that together. Now you could make this one a little bit wetter if you like. And if you do like it to be a little bit wetter, or you want more of a pickly, vinegary taste, which I do, I will add a little bit of pickle juice. Let's do about 1/2 tablespoon. And I measure it out a little bit at a time because I don't want it to be too overpowering. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit more pickles. And I made this pickle relish myself just with some dill pickles, but you can make a combination of dill pickles and sweet pickles if you like. And it's really gonna be to taste. So you can add more salt, more garlic, more pepper. If you wanted to add an egg in here, you could. Sometimes we add eggs, sometimes we add a little bit of mustard as well, but that's it. It's our second chicken salad. All right, we're getting ready to start on our third chicken salad. This one is going to be our traditional chicken salad, just with mayo and pickle relish, no tomatoes. And again, this one you can add mustard if you wanted to, or onion powder along with the onion. Just really depends on you and what your family preferred. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. And we don't tend to put too much seasoning in it because we use it in different ways. We can use it for dips, we can use it for salads, sandwiches. There we go. I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of onion, 1.5 tablespoons of onion. Again, we're gonna add a little bit of that pickle juice, 1 tablespoon of pickle juice. And I don't remember if I added garlic, but you can't go wrong with too much garlic. All right, and we're gonna do about 1.5 tablespoons of the mayo. And we're gonna mix that together. Oh wow, that smells really good. Just a basic traditional chicken salad always gets me. All right, we're done with our third chicken salad. And again, these are the traditional chicken salads that we make at home. Our loaded, our traditional, and our chicken salad with pear. So now we're gonna do a little bit of experimenting, and we're going to work on 2 chicken salads. One is gonna be our buffalo hot sauce chicken salad, and the other one is going to be our chicken salad with apple. So I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon of mayo to each. Okay, and then our apples will go in this one. And this is 1 Fuji apple. A little sprinkle of garlic, a little bit of salt, and the salt will go really well with the apples. A little tiny bit of pepper, and we're gonna mix that together. See how it goes. And again, you can always add more mayonnaise, but you can't take it out. I think I want it to be a little bit more moist. Add another 1/2 tablespoon there. Okay, we're all done with that one. And that's our chicken, and you can add green onions to this. You can add parsley to this, it would be perfect in any of them. It's just not how we prefer to do it. We like a little bit more of a basic zhuzh step chicken salad, or you could just leave it just like this. It's perfect. All right, and then our last one is going to be, I'm gonna go ahead, since that one was a little bit dry, add another half tablespoon here and mix that together. And this one is gonna be our buffalo wing style chicken salad. So of course, I always add garlic. Love garlic. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. Came out a little too fast. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of the onion juice on this one. And we're gonna add a little bit of hot sauce. This is the buffalo sauce. Oh, it smells delicious. All right, and there you have it. Our 5 chicken salads that we make, 3 chicken salads that we make in our home, and then 2 new ones that we're gonna be trying out for you today.